What if I told you that most creators, freelancers, and small business owners are wasting hundreds of dollars every month on software they no longer need? Today, I'm going to show you 5 AI tools that can replace expensive subscriptions and save you anywhere from $350 to over $500 every single month. These aren't experimental tools. They're already being used by thousands of businesses to write content, record meetings, design graphics, edit videos, and automate workflows. Let's get into it. Let's start with the problem. Many businesses are still paying for outdated software stacks. You might be paying for Jasper AI for writing, Adobe Creative Cloud for design, Gong for meeting recordings, Rev for transcriptions, Zapier for automations, and Monday.com for project management. When you add everything together, you're looking at more than $400 every month, and for some teams, it's much higher. The good news? AI can now do most of these jobs for a fraction of the cost. Here are the 5 categories we'll cover today. Number 1, AI writing assistants. Number 2, AI meeting recorders. Number 3, AI design suites. Number 4, AI video editors. And number 5, AI automation and productivity tools. Combined, these replacements can save you between $350 and $570 every month. Let's start with writing. For years, tools like Jasper AI and Copy.ai dominated AI writing. The problem is the cost. Jasper can cost around $99 per month, while Copy.ai adds another $49. That's nearly $150 every month. Today, many users are replacing both with ChatGPT Plus. At just $20 per month, ChatGPT can write blog posts, marketing emails, product descriptions, ad copy, social media captions, and even complete YouTube scripts. Another excellent alternative is Claude Pro, especially if you work with long documents and detailed research. For most users, one subscription is enough. Instead of paying $150 per month, you're paying around $20. That's a huge reduction in cost without sacrificing capability. Next up, meeting, recording, and transcription. Many companies spend hundreds every month on tools like Gong and Rev, but AI-powered meeting assistants have changed the game. Otter.ai Pro costs less than $17 per month and automatically joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams calls. It records conversations, transcribes them in real time, creates summaries, and even generates action items. Another great option is Fireflies.ai. It integrates with platforms like Slack, HubSpot, and many popular CRMs. The process is simple. The AI joins your meeting. It listens and records. Then it automatically sends notes and action items to everyone involved. No manual note-taking required. Let's talk about design. Traditional creative software can get expensive fast. Adobe Creative Cloud costs around $55 per month. Stock image subscriptions can add another $49. And hiring freelancers can easily cost hundreds per project. Now compare that to Canva Pro. For around $15 a month, Canva includes powerful AI features through Magic Studio. You can generate images from text, remove backgrounds with one click, create social media graphics, edit videos, build presentations, and access thousands of professional templates. You can also combine Canva with Adobe Firefly's free AI image tools for even more creative power. For many creators and small businesses, this combination eliminates the need for expensive design subscriptions entirely. If you're running a YouTube channel, this section alone could save you a lot of money. Descript is one of the most powerful AI video editors available today. Instead of editing a timeline, you edit the transcript. Delete a sentence from the text, and it's automatically removed from the video. Descript can also remove filler words, eliminate awkward pauses, and generate captions automatically. For short-form content, Opus Clip is a game changer. Upload a long video, and it automatically finds the best moments. Then it converts them into TikToks, Reels, and YouTube Shorts, complete with captions and optimized formatting. For faceless YouTube channels, this combination can dramatically reduce editing time while improving output quality. The 5th category is automation and productivity. Many businesses rely on Zapier and Monday.com. They're useful tools, but they can become expensive as your team grows. Instead, consider using Make.com alongside Notion AI. Make.com lets you automate workflows between apps without writing code. It uses a visual drag-and-drop builder and offers a generous free plan. Meanwhile, Notion AI combines project management, documentation, knowledge bases, and AI assistance into one platform. It can summarize documents, generate content, answer questions, and organize your team's information. Together, these tools often cost a fraction of traditional automation and project management software. Let's add everything up. Replacing traditional writing software with ChatGPT or Claude can save around $80 to $120 every month. Switching to Otter.ai or Fireflies can save another $50 to $80. Using Canva AI and Firefly can reduce design costs by $60 to $100. Descript and Opus Clip can save $80 to $150 in video production expenses. And Notion AI Plus, Make.com, can cut another $80 to $120. Combined, that's roughly $350 to $570 saved every month, or thousands of dollars every year. The easiest way to start is simple. Pick just one expensive subscription you're currently paying for. Replace it with the AI alternative we covered today. Use it for the next 30 days, then compare the results. You might be surprised by how much money you save without losing productivity. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to TechVault for weekly AI tool breakdowns, productivity tips, and software saving strategies. And in the comments below, tell us, which subscription are you planning to cancel first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.